Welcome to another video of detailed math solutions. In this video, I'm going to write and explain step by step how to add the squares of the binomials 13m squared x squared plus 5b squared y squared and 2m squared x squared plus 15b squared y squared. To solve this exercise, I'm going to use the formula for binomial square and the rules of exponents for power of a product with two factors, power of a product with three factors, product of two powers, power of a power. First, I will apply the formula for binomial square for the first binomial. This way I get 13m squared x squared in parentheses squared plus 2 times 13m squared x squared multiplied by 5b squared y squared plus 5b squared y squared in parentheses to the power of 2. Next, I'm going to apply the formula for binomial square for the second binomial and write that underneath what I just wrote. So this equals to plus 2m squared x squared in parentheses to the power of 2 plus 2 times 2m squared x squared multiplied by 15p squared y squared plus 15p squared y squared in parentheses to the power of 2. Next, I'm going to apply the rules of exponents and simplify further. This way I get 13 squared m squared to the power of 2 x squared to the power of 2 plus 2 times 13 times 5 is 130 m squared x squared p squared y squared plus I have 5 squared p squared to the power of 2 multiplied by y squared to the power of 2 plus 2 squared m squared squared x squared squared plus 2 times 2, 15 is 60 m squared x squared p squared y squared plus 15 squared p squared squared y squared squared. If I simplify further, I get 169 m to the fourth power x to the fourth power plus, I just need to rewrite this next term because I can't simplify it further, m squared x squared p squared y squared plus, then I have 25 p to the fourth y to the fourth plus 4 m to the fourth x to the fourth plus 60 m squared x squared p squared and y squared plus 225 p to the fourth y to the fourth. As a last step, I need to add all like terms. Like or similar terms are the ones that have the same literal parts. So for this exercise, we have the first two terms of each expression, the second two terms of each expression, and the third two terms of each expression. They're all like terms. Therefore, I can add them, and when I do that, I get 173 m to the fourth x to the fourth plus 190 m squared x squared p squared y squared plus 250 p to the fourth y to the fourth. I can't simplify this further, therefore it's the final answer for this exercise. I'm thrilled that you joined me and look forward to sharing my other videos. Please click on the videos displayed on the screen or subscribe to my channel to see more detailed math solutions. Thank you for watching and learning.